being the sole authority to try and decide impeachment cases, kahit po matatalo. So para sa akin po, hindi katanggap-tanggap ang posisyon na dahil matatalo rin tayo, huwag na tayong lumaban. Paminsan-minsan po mahalaga na ilagay naman natin ang ating posisyon kahit alam po natin na hindi pabor sa atin ang mga bagay-bagay. Thank you, Mr. President, and we'd like to thank Senator Marcoleta for his time.
Thank you, Senator Aquino. Noted and entered into the records. Senator Marcoleta.
Mr. President, I thank Senator Bam for his manifestation. Totoo nga po na yung binasa niya sa Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 4, na sinasabi nga naman, in case the verified complaint or resolution of impeachment is filed by at least 1/3 of all the members of the House, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment and trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Ngunit, Mr. President, this cannot be applied in isolation of Paragraph 8 na nandito rin po sa the same Section 3, Article 11. Ang sinasabi po sa Paragraph 8, the Congress shall promulgate its rules on impeachment to effectively carry out the purpose of this section. Kaya po ang sinusunod ng House dapat yung rules of procedures in impeachment proceedings. Pero kagaya po na sinabi ko, imbes na sundin po nila, sila po yung gumawa nun eh. Eh hindi naman po nila sinunod. Kaya po ang nangyari, pinagsabihan ng Korte Suprema, ganito ang pag-file. Nagbigay nga po ng guidelines. Pangalawa po, yung kanyang sinabi na nakapag-umpisa na po kayo eh. Kanina po kinwalify ko yun before I proceeded in my speech. Sabi ko po, the initial proceedings conducted by the Senate of the 19th Congress were not formally carried over into the Senate of the 20th Congress. Wala po talaga eh. I cannot recall, sabi ko nga, and there is no action taken by this chamber, Mr. President, sapagkat ang alam ko, all these proceedings were already deemed terminated at the expiration of the 19th Congress at noon of June 30, 2025. And they cannot be miraculously bring forth to life in this Congress where both of us now belong because this Congress is of different composition. Yun lamang po ang qualification doon, Mr. President.
Quick rejoinder, Mr. President.